Are you tired of scrolling through a cluttered YouTube TV guide? In this tutorial, we'll show you how to customize your channel guide to make your viewing experience smoother and more personalized. Step 1. Open YouTube TV. Start by launching the YouTube TV app on your device. Make sure you're logged into your account. Step 2. Navigate to the guide. On the home screen, scroll to the left to find the Live section. Here, you'll see the channel guide with all your available channels. Step 3. Access settings. Click on the settings icon, gear symbol, located in the top right corner of the screen to enter the customization options. Step 4. Customize your channels. In the settings menu, look for the Customize Channels section. From here, you can add channels, browse and add channels that you frequently watch, remove channels, unsubscribe from channels you don't need, rearrange channels, drag and drop channels to your preferred order. Step 5. Save your preferences. Once you've made your changes, don't forget to hit Save to apply the new settings to your guide. Bonus tip: you can also create custom categories like favorites to make channel browsing even easier. Now you have a personalized YouTube TV channel guide that fits your preferences. Enjoy your customized guide and take control of your viewing experience. Don't forget to subscribe for more tips like this. Hit the bell icon so you never miss an update.